Start with the bottom. This is the bottom piece. There are two of them. Hang on. And they go on top of each other. The idea is for these pieces to be sandwiched between these two bottom pieces. This piece should go here. It serves as the top kind of wall for the box. It goes like that. So that goes at the top. And then we have this long piece. You would fold this like this. Put a glue in this area so that they're sealed, or this side is sealed, and you can put your card in here. It goes at the bottom. So there are two pieces of this. The other one is gonna go right here, over here. Let me just look for that. It's over here. There we go. And then, as you can see, apart from our two bottom pieces, our top piece, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides left, and that's where these little pockets go. You would do the same, just glue this side so that it's sealed, and then you glue it here. Another one goes here, and another goes here. And there's that last piece. So all in all, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 small pockets, 2 bottom pockets, and this one wall here that is going to be standing. So when you open the box, it's not going to fall out just like the rest of them. It's just gonna stay up. And on this section, you will put these kind of standy pockets. So you just fold these and then attach them to the wall like this, or you want to have it face there, you can do that too. You'll have to fold this like that, so it's gonna look like that. And there's 2 of them, so that's where that goes. I will show you a finished piece later. And once that's done, you have basically your box. This piece is the cover. It's the biggest part, so you just actually fold it, or fold it like so until it turns into a cover. So there's these triangular sides here. Those go underneath this side. You glue it there so that it closes that part, and you repeat that on the other sides as well. So that's your cover. And sorry, this part serves to seal this off, because as you can see, there's nothing here to seal that cover off. Make sure that it's a cover. It's a complete cover. If you don't put this there, it is going to have a hole. And I will show you what that looks like. This is what the cover looks like once sealed. So this is kind of old and it's been stored, that's why there's some dirt on it. But yeah, also this was like a test piece, so this is probably not what I should be showing. Hang on. So here's the cover. Now what I did here was actually make a hole in the middle and then kind of inserted some sequins inside, but that's optional if you want to do that. Still trying to figure out how to do it well so that the sequins don't fall out. But anyway, this is the cover of the box. As you can see inside, the triangular ends are inside of the box and they shouldn't be visible outside, so it gives it a clean look. And this is what that kind of seal at the top looks like. The flap. So this is the trapezoidal or whatever shape that is. It serves to connect this piece to the cover, to the bottom of the cover or the top of the cover, whatever is, however you want to look at it. So there you go. Still trying to figure out a way to make sure that the sequins don't fall out, but going back to the cover, let me just get that cover again. Okay, so again, this is your cover. You just fold it along the score lines so that it ends up like that. And at the top, you would use this piece that looks like a pen to connect or to close off that part, and it goes like this. So you just fold it, and then you also fold these, because these are the parts that connect to this. So let's reverse that. Yeah, just like that. Close. You connect this triangle to this side, connect this tiny trapezoid to the cover, and connect this triangle to this side. Now this small package contains, I think, the hearts with a free twine. The idea is to connect the hearts using the twine. And this one contains the albums. So these are the little pieces or little albums, accordion albums, that you would insert into the pockets once you're done setting up your body, or not your body, but. And something I forgot. Hang on. Okay, so assuming that you've connected all your pieces together, and this is totally optional, you can use these triangles to connect the pockets to each other like this, and then so the biggest triangle goes to the bottom to connect the two bottom pockets, and this one connects the rest to each other. You're gonna have to kind of finagle that a little bit and make sure that they fit. So what that does, once you've kind of connected them, what that does is it makes your heart box look like it's just one piece. and I'll show you example. This is a sample box. This isn't glued on yet, but it's an idea. You know, if you want to put a design on the floor of your box, you definitely can do that. It's up to you how you want to customize your box, but this is an example of what it could look like once finished. So like I said, this is your kind of standee, the upper wall of the box, and this is the heart piece that you attach onto the wall so that it becomes a slot that you can put your albums in. And you can have them like this, fold them up, place them here. Same thing on the other side. And then these are your pockets. This is a small pocket number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and you can put stuff in here. Small albums. I have not glued these pieces yet, but I wanted to see what they looked like first before I made everything permanent. So this is one album. This is not the accordion one. The accordion albums go on this side, and then the singular ones go here. No, I can't put it back. Okay. For the big pockets, that's where your cards go. Here. And as you can see, this is the big triangle and the smaller triangles. When you fold them, or when you close your box, you have them fold inward like that. All of them fold inward. And you're going to have to kind of exercise or massage those creases so that, you know, they fold nicely and don't, like, well, not fold. Yeah. So I'm only using one hand here. Can't show you how to close it. Let me grab somebody who can hold a camera for me. Just make sure that it's there. This is how you close it. You have to use both hands and maybe borrow a person's hand.